In the heart of the city, where space is a luxury and nature a rarity, HydroSphere brings the future of gardening into your home. We are the creators of HydroSphere, a revolutionary hydroponic system designed to transform urban living.
HydroSphere is not just a product, it's a lifestyle enhancement. It gives you control, connectivity, and customization right at your fingertips, allowing you to grow fresh products without leaving your apartment. From precise nutrient management to smart light adjustments, our system ensures that your plant thrives in the most optimal conditions, with minimum effort required.
But don't just take our word for it. Urban gardeners everywhere are discovering the joys of accessible, sustainable gardening with HydroSphere.
With rapid urbanization, the demand for smart, space-efficient gardening solutions is growing. HydroSphere meets this need, opening up with endless possibilities for urban green spaces. Our business model is built on a foundation of sustainability and community engagement. By partnering with eco-conscious suppliers and leveraging direct-to-consumer sales, we keep our operations lean and our impact large.
Join us on our journey to green more urban spaces. Visit our website, follow us on social media, and help spread the word about HydroSphere. Together, we can cultivate a greener future. Thank you for watching. Discover more about HydroSphere and start your urban gardening adventure today.